Whenever you guys trying to get a credit card, you need to maybe check on YouTube and check out my website, rickita.com, because I have a lot of credit cards there that you guys may be interested in, and you can see other people that got approved for their credit card. Now, when you guys check on YouTube, check out videos, because under the videos in the comments, they always tell you guys, it's a lot of people left comments, hey, I got approved for this credit card, I got a $5,000 limit. Oh, I got approved for this credit card, and I got $2,000. I got approved for this one. I got $15,000. They'll put it right in the comments. That's the best way that you can see like the different ranges when it come down to credit cards. There's other ways that you guys can know, and that's just by doing research. So definitely just research the credit card, and then you'll know like the ranges of any of the credit cards out there and the actual approvals that people are getting. Now, I have my website. This is the rickita.com that I was referring to. So I have this website, and I always, when I make videos, I always talk about like something like this, like the best credit cards for bad credit. But I also have it too where you guys can like search a credit card and see if there's any approvals for that credit card. So like this, let's search Capital One Platinum, right? You search it, search here, put in the search bar at the top. The Capital One Platinum MasterCard, and then scroll down, then you'll see some other people said they was able to get approved for it. Okay, that's how you can see like on my website, rickita.com. But also you can look directly like under this video. Let's see if we can. Let me see if I can get the actual link. So here is the actual link. I can't like it. I always want to like it, but I can't like it because it's not mine. Okay, go down to the comments. I just got the Navy Federal secured, trying to get $750. I just received the Platinum $300 limit. That's their first card. Thank you so much for what you do. You pointed me in a direction of the pedal card. I got $1,800 limit, so that is good. I got the Platinum card through Capital One a few years ago. You can come down here in the comments and you can see like other approvals. I went for the Quicksilver and $2,000 limit. That's good. I got approved for $300. That's good. Yeah, so just that's what you want to do. You want to go through the comments and see like what other comments people had left about like this credit card. And once you see other comments, then you can make an informed decision on how much you can possibly get approved for. But nothing is a guarantee, but that's a great way where you guys can see like, okay, these other people said they got approved. I only seeing these type of amounts. Maybe that's all that's out there. But do further research. Like I said, I have them on my website, rickita.com. You can search any credit card there and see if I made did a review on that credit card, and then you can see if there's any approvals there. And then I should have my credit card, my blog fully up and running like I want it to be running by June 1st. That's my goal, June 1st. So definitely check it out. I plan to have at least 4, if not more, approvals there. So definitely check out my blog to see if there's any approvals